And for our number 8 wine of the year,
the Quinta do Gradil, 1492. This is coming from the Lisboa region of Portugal. So what really captured our interest was this wine was, well, first of all, it's delicious. It's a blend of Touriga Nacional, which is arguably one of Portugal's most popular and well-known grape varieties, as well as Tannat. This comes from the winery Quinta do Gradil, which actually has quite the history. In fact, its first document referencing it goes back to 1492 in a royal document, and then in the 16th century it was used as a royal hunting lodge. And it just really speaks to Portugal's history with wine, which, you know, a lot of people are still discovering Portuguese wines, but they've been making wine for quite some time.
and everybody knows Gillian's passion for Portuguese wines. And when we were tasting through wines this year, we kept finding great Portuguese gems. And this one just jumped out at us as one of our favorites.
Yeah, and it's 90 points, Wine Enthusiast, Best Buy, well under $20. So definitely check out the Quinta do Gradil, 1492.
Number 8 wine of the year.